Hey everybody, welcome back. Big question of late has been, are skincare oils, specifically all natural oils, better for your skin than skincare products? And one of those oils that's been around for a really long time, castor oil, has been getting a lot of visibility both on TikTok and other social media platforms. Some of the stuff that's out there is correct. A lot of it isn't, which is usually the case. So today I'm giving you my expert, professional opinion on castor oil and what it can actually do for the skin on your face. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, skincare expert, 37 years, here on YouTube to help you find skincare that's going to work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you stick around and subscribe. So castor oil, a very high viscosity oil, which means it's very thick. It is a natural oil made from the castor plant. The castor plant itself is quite toxic to animals and humans, but the oil made from the plant seeds actually is very beneficial. Now, in the old days, like way back, it was used as a laxative. My mother used to have stories about having to take a shot of castor oil followed by orange juice, and if she didn't throw up, she spent a lot of time in the bathroom, if you know what I mean, because it's a laxative in nature. But today we're going to talk about some really super amazing benefits that castor oil, a relatively inexpensive natural oil, has for your skin. And in this particular video, what it can do for fine lines, wrinkles, sallowness, hydration, even brightness of your skin. Now, I first became aware of castor oil over 40 years ago when I was suffering with really severe acne. It's one of the discoveries I made early on that really helped abate my acne problem. I had cystic acne. It didn't want to go away no matter what I took, no matter what I put on my face, whether it be prescription or over the counter. But castor oil played a really integral role in helping me clear that skin up and actually helped start me on my holistic esthetician journey all those years ago. So let's jump right into what it can do specifically, and then I'm going to demonstrate how to apply it to your skin and, more importantly, how to remove it, because as I said, it is a very thick, sticky oil. And while it does provide all these health benefits, there's a trick to getting it off your skin. So let's start with what type of castor oil you should be looking for. For me, it is a certified organic castor oil contained in a very dark bottle, so it protects the strength and efficacy of the oil. All right, so anti-aging, what can it actually do for fine lines and wrinkles and the texture of the skin? Well, castor oil, when massaged into the skin, actually helps promote and encourage collagen production. It is deeply moisturizing and helps with dryness, flakiness, and also is able to pull moisture from the air, much like what we see with polyglutamic acid and hyaluronic acid. It's able to do that, but in a holistic, natural way, which means it keeps your skin deeply hydrated and plump, preventing transepidermal water loss. Castor oil is also packed with fatty acids, which, as we know, are super beneficial for the lipid layer of your skin, also helping with the area around the mouth. You can even apply it to chapped, dry lips several times a day. You can mix it with glycerin if you want to water it down a little bit for a little extra lip plump. And even though I did say it has laxative properties, that's not going to be enough castor oil to do that. The fatty acids also help speed up cellular reproduction, meaning that newer skin comes to the surface faster. It even can help soothe sunburns, and it is a master at improving the thickness and length of eyelashes and eyebrows. So let's talk about how to apply castor oil. The best way to use it in an anti-aging skincare routine is a capping mechanism at night, known loosely as slugging. After you've applied all your other products, you apply a thin layer of castor oil to help trap that moisture and help your other skincare products work better. All right, so let's apply this castor oil. It doesn't take much, which is the same as with all skincare products, really. Just about that much. About half a dropper full, massage it into the fingers, and then we're going to just pat it over the skin. Now, I like to do this into my eyebrows. We don't require a brush, just massaging it in. And this is good, guys, for beard and mustache growth and keeping that hair soft. And that's really all there is to it. And then if you're having trouble with short, thinning, hard to grow lashes, taking a brush like this one, this is an eyelash brush, or cleaning out an old mascara brush and applying just a little bit of castor oil to each lash is really, really amazing. And of course, you want to be very careful and not get the oil into your eye. So let's do that. We're going to put a little drop on my finger here. going to coat the brush. All right. And then we're just going to close the eye tight and brush the eyelashes with this oil. Right there. Doesn't take much, can work wonders for lashes and brows. Again, guys, beard growth, really a super great oil to use overnight. You don't want to use this oil during the day because it is very sticky, very shiny, and it's going to make your skin and or your beard look really oily and shiny, and cosmetics do not work well on top of this oil. So it's not a great oil to moisturize your skin with during the day, but as an overnight treatment, it just cannot be beat. Castor oil, completely organic, fairly inexpensive. Bottles run anywhere from $7 up to $30, depending on how much of this stuff you need to buy. I personally like to buy and keep on hand the smaller amounts of this oil because after 6 months, it does start to degrade and is not as effective. The castor oil that I like to use is Kate Blanc Cosmetics. I'll put a link down below in the video description box so you guys can check that out. But let's talk about how to get this oil off, because again, it is very, very sticky. So the two easiest ways to remove this oil are to use a hot, steamy washcloth and apply it to your face for about half a minute. It helps to dislodge the oil from your pores and helps to dilute it, making it easier to wash off. That single step will usually take enough of the oil off your skin that you can use your face wash and remove the rest of it. Certain skin types, particularly oily skin types, have a more difficult time removing this oil. And in that case, you would take a teaspoon of baking soda and mix it in a cup of warm water and rinse your face with that, because the enzymes in the baking soda actually break down the castor oil and will completely remove it from your skin. Super simple, inexpensive way to give your anti-aging skincare routine a boost and having your skin looking dewy, plump, and hydrated after the very first night you try this. Now, I hope you guys found this video today on castor oil and your face helpful. If you did, please like it, share it out. Let me know down in the comments below. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, check out this video that I picked out for you next. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate you, love you, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.